Hello everyone, this is Keith Jackson and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. In this video, we're going to pair the stem and leaf plot with the mean. And well, what is the mean? It is the average of a data set. It is found by adding the numbers and then dividing the sum by the amount of numbers in that data set. And so as you see right here, we have five numbers that we're going to add, and then we're going to find the mean for those numbers. But before we do that, let us take a look at our scenario, which we have right here. Here are the numbers of Monster Bully video games sold in 5 weeks at GameStream. All right, and so in week number one, 47 games were sold. In week number two, 39. In week number three, there was a little bit of a lull. There were 26 sold. And then in week number four, it picked back up to 68. In week number five, 80 videos were sold. And let us organize this data in the stem and leaf plot because the stem and leaf plot is a diagram that neatly organizes data. And as you can see, the two over here, right? And the six right here represents 26. The three and the nine represents 39. The four and the seven represents 47. There is no 50 number right here. There's no numbers in the 50, so we're just going to leave that blank. And then there's 6 and 8, which represents 68, and 8 and 0, which represents 80. And you can take a look at the key, and you can see that 7/2 represents 72. All right, so now that we have the data organized real neatly, we can organize those numbers, or we can put those numbers in order from least to greatest, in which we have 26, 39, 47, 68, and 80. And when we add these numbers up, we will get 260. And what we're going to do, we're going to divide by 5. Well, why divide by 5? Because there are 5 numbers in that data set. And so when we do that, 260 divided by 5 will give us 52. So the average amount of videos sold in that 5 week period was about 52 Monster Bully videos. Okay, and so this is how the mean works, and the stem and leaf plot helps us arrive at the mean because we could put the numbers in order here, and then we could put them in order from least to greatest here, adding those numbers, and then coming out with the mean. Okay, you have been given a lot of information. I wouldn't blame you if you need to pause the video to take a look at how the stem and leaf plot can be paired with the mean. In the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you, and goodbye.